At Blinkner School, a spark is growing.
You're going to use the other end and you're going to put it through the small holes.
And Evelyn Hunt, a senior at Boone High School, is igniting it.
I wanted to make sure that kids that are going through that same experience I did have like an extra support and push and a fun thing to do.
She's sharing her knowledge and love for STEAM through her club, Bite Gems.
Is kind of just a girls coding computer science club. It's not just specifically coding. We do a bunch of different activities.
Hands-on activities like building a speaker from scratch and even a functional robot.
It gives us a sense of power when we accomplish something, like putting something together and like testing it out to work.
My kind of goal was to prepare them for when they take AP Computer Science Principles in 9th grade.
That's because Evelyn says she didn't know about how cool coding and robotics actually was and how much she liked it until she got to high school.
When I was a freshman, my mom kind of wanted me to take AP Computer Science Principles, and I did not want to take it. I like science, I like STEM, but I never was like a robotics kid. I never really wanted to take any of those classes. But the second I went into the class, I loved it, and I was like, wow, this is a whole new world of STEM that I've never seen before.
And that's something she brings to students at her former school, something she wished she had back then.
And so I wanted to kind of bring that here so girls that kind of were like younger than me could kind of have that experience and be ready and be familiar with it before they go into high school.
Through this small group of rising programmers, these girls are hoping to break the STEAM's algorithm.
I think that's really important, especially because things on like the science side and kind of technology are usually pushed towards more like younger boys, like video games, things like that. And so this kind of like, I think it's opening their eyes to it early so they can like get prepared, get ready.
And what better way to learn than from one of their own?
It's fun to kind of learn from somebody else that isn't a teacher.
Because in this classroom, the future isn't built by chance.
I think my goal is kind of just to get them excited about computer science and kind of realize that there's a bunch of different avenues that they may not know, and also realize that there's a lot that they can do in real life with it and that they can still have fun while they're doing science.
Together, they're shining a light into their future in every line of code, building confidence one bite at a time.